Hello guys, teacher Amanda here, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare tomato sauce. We will need basically 6 ingredients: tomatoes, salt, garlic, oil, pepper and basil. 2 optional that I will show later. Choose beautiful red tomatoes for this. This will make the difference in your sauce, okay? Let's go. First, start with the basil. I will get some basil from my garden. Beautiful green basil. Wash it thoroughly. Dry it. Wash the tomatoes, important. For this recipe I used 700 grams, normally we use from 600 to 700 for 2 people, depends on how much sauce you want in your pasta. Cut the tomatoes into squares. Of course you can remove the skin if you want, but I didn't do it. Then you will put a garlic, light the fire, put the pan on the fire, pour the oil and add the garlic. I put my garlic whole, but you can use it cut, chop it. Add the basil, fry it a little bit for flavor. Add the chopped tomatoes. Mix a little bit and put the lid on. Then add the seasoning, pepper, a little salt, as much as you want. I don't put much. Then stir it well. You will need to stir this dish sometimes so it doesn't burn, but put the lid on for moisture. Keep the moisture in. Secret ingredient: a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit, and a little bit of brown sugar to cut the acidity. Then you can mash the tomatoes. If you want, you can pass them through a strainer, which I don't do. I prefer with more texture, so I just mash them with the spoon. Beautiful sauce. Medium heat at this time, and I remove the garlic. If you chopped it, you just keep it in. Your sauce is ready. Now just serve it with the pasta of your preference or in another dish. And enjoy your meal. Hope you like it. Bye bye!